Hello friends. Today you are about to learn the basic syntax index of Jquery. In the previous video series we taught you JavaScript. In this JavaScript, I told you how we write JavaScript. We first used script tech to write it, and within that, we want to code whatever JavaScript we want. They've been writing straight, so if it doesn't work the whole pocket, that's the benefit of writing it. When you've got the code he's writing inside the body tech, that means you see it at the end of the body. A little practical in which I will tell you how to use this syntax. Take a look at our base here. The customer's document is created. I'm hurting you here. I have done the styling of this, so here, first of all I will add the file of Jquery and then we will start working on our Jquery. So see, I will write the script plate here, and I will put it inside the script tag here. Source src, and here I give the part. So the name of our folder is JS and the file we have inside it. Jquery.js told you, so you can go and see it from there. After that, I will go here and take a script tag here. So to start here, I will first make my main statement, which is document.ready. If I write it down, I'll take a look at it first dollars, and I'll write it here. I'll use the documentation after that. Ready means when the document is ready, then I have put round basis, and here the semicolon, and I will put it inside. When will this function work? When our entire document is ready, it will be fully loaded. Look inside the trousers. I went over here and where the curly presses are. Enter as many lines of code as you want. See if they can. First, I'll show this trend here in the console. Take a look at what I've written here, and I've saved the file here.
What to do in Košice? I want what we have this test one named do. So, I want to pick up the HTML and print it here in the console. So look, I'll target it first. So, to target it first, I'll have to write a selector. So, I'll just use the CSS selector. I'll put $1 in it and put it here. Course up. Who do I have to target? Look at the ID. This is our test. One name ID. So what we used to write in CSS to target the ID hash, and I wrote the name of it here. Desktop. It's become our selector. Now, I have to put it here. After dot, I have to tell him what's the method. As we've gone up, ready method. Similarly, we will tell you which method we have to use here. Which is the most basic method? It's his name. What is the function of HTML? It will give you the HTML. So for that first, I take a variable here, and I took a variable here named A, and put a semicolon here. At last, see now inside A, we will get the entire HTML of test 1. It will work exactly the same, just like our JavaScript. Now that I want to print it to the console, let's see what I'll write here. I'll write console.log, and inside it here I will print. Hey, I saved the file here, and here. We have an HTML here. You're looking at it's written here. It's written. Test box 1 means what was written inside our heading. Inside our test 1. The same heading has been raised here, and its paragraph below it has also been printed here. If you're our second. If you want to take the HTML of this also, you will take another variable here. I'll copy it and write it here and here. Test 2. Because look inside the HTML above, we have taken the test to name ID here. I've used it here, and I'll post it here. In the value console of B, I have saved the file here. So, see here. Here. First of all, our do win means that the HTML of test 1 is being printed. After this, the value of the test key is being printed. So you must have understood the basic syntax here, how we work inside Jquery. You've got to take it first. Document.read is to put it up on the inside here, and then you can do whatever you want to do here. Targeting a rung or lifting or setting its value is exactly what we used to do in JavaScript. Or we have to put an animation. We can go here.
Thanks watching my video. Subscribe, like, and comment.